Love is in the air, Ultimate Valentine's Day Celebration Guide. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Randy, and today we have a special treat for you as we dive into the Ultimate Valentine's Day Celebration Guide. Whether you're spending the day with a special someone or celebrating self-love, we've got some fantastic ideas to make this Valentine's Day unforgettable. So, grab your favorite snacks, hit that like button, and let's spread some love. First up, let's set the mood with some romantic DIY decorations. Think candles, fairy lights, and heart-shaped decor. I'll show you a quick and easy way to create a cozy and romantic atmosphere without breaking the bank. What's a celebration without delicious food? In this segment, we'll be whipping up some heartwarming recipes perfect for a romantic dinner or a cozy night in. From a mouth-watering pasta dish to decadent chocolate desserts, we've got your taste buds covered. Gift giving is an essential part of Valentine's Day, and nothing says I love you more than a thoughtful, personalized gift. Stick around as I share some creative and heartfelt gift ideas that will leave your special someone smiling from ear to ear. After a delightful meal and exchanging gifts, it's time for a cozy movie night. I'll be recommending some classic and romantic movies that are perfect for setting the mood. Grab the popcorn, cuddle up, and let the love stories unfold on screen. Valentine's Day isn't just about romantic love. It's also an excellent time to practice self-love. I'll be sharing some self-care tips and activities that you can indulge in to make sure you're feeling the love from within. And there you have it, our Ultimate Valentine's Day Celebration Guide. Whether you're in a relationship or celebrating solo, remember that love comes in many forms. We hope these ideas help make your Valentine's Day extra special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Sending lots of love your way. Until next time, stay fabulous. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Bye for now.